आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, so the problem is that class 10 student of a senior secondary school, Krishnagar has been allotted a rectangular plot along of grassy activities splitting Gulmohar and planted on the boundary at distance 1 meter from each. Then there is a triangular grassy lawn of plot as shown in the figure. Students are shown seed and flower planting on the remaining area of the plot. So the question is that what are the coordinate of P? So we have to calculate the coordinate of P. Okay, so let's start the solution. So here is the P, this is the P. Okay, so that is the x-axis and that is the y-axis. Okay, so here we get, if we move toward the x-axis, तो यहाँ पे x-axis पे जो है मेरे पास that coordinate जो हमें p का चाहिए वो क्या होगा, that यहाँ पे हो जाएगा x का coordinate that is 4 and y का coordinate that, so this is the x-axis. So here this is the 1, that is the 2, that is the 3, that is the 4, that is the 5 and that is the 6. So clearly the coordinate of p is 4, 6. So our answer is 4, 6. This is the required answer of this question. Okay, thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।